So according to the JFF General Secretary, Mr. Dalton Wint, the JFF is expected to suffer a heavy financial loss from the two friendly internationals against Saudi Arabia. Mr. Wint said he expects that when the final figures are crunched, the JFF will be losing millions of dollars from the Saudi tour. And right away, the angry mob is again calling for the head of Mr. Wint and the JFF leadership. But guess what? The Maverick will be defending the bewildered JFF leadership on this one. The JFF reportedly got $300,000 US for these two games, with the responsibility for the airfares for the entire Jamaican delegation. So make we do some Maverick maths. The airfares for the delegation of 35 to Saudi Arabia and back is estimated at $85,000 US. The biggest expense, match fees for the players for the two games plus per diems for the entire delegation. We put that at approximately $180,000 US. We get now to the per diems and the general expenses of the president and the GenSec and the vice president. And make we put that at $25,000 because them fly first class and them roll 5-star and all these things. Now when we add a thing named the miscellaneous, call that another $20,000 US. That already put the JFF $15,000 US in the red. So based on my Maverick calculations, Mr. Wint is right. Basically, the money done. Yes, it done. Done.